Hi students, today I'm going to help you understand the S at the end of English words. Sometimes they have 3 different sounds. So I have a student who asks me, "Teacher, why do when I read the word cooks, the S sounds like S, cooks, but when I read the word teachers, the S sounds like a Z, teachers. And why when I read teaches, it has an extra syllable? Teaches, teaches, teaches. These ones don't have an extra syllable. It's part of this syllable or this word, cooks, teachers, and teaches. In this video, I'm going to help you understand the 3 different sounds of S. So before we start the lesson, we need to understand some consonants, some letters. We don't use our voice. This is our voice. Voice here. Some letters we only use our mouth to make the sound, and these are called no voice letters. Okay, so some examples are k, k, k. Our voice does not vibrate here. K, k, k. Here. P, p. The sound is here. No voice. TH. The sound is here. The sound is here, no vibration in the voice box. And then we need to learn about the letters that do use the voice. These ones use the voice. You will feel it here. B, 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 b. G, 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 g. I feel it. G. D, 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 d. And Z. These ones, yes, they use your voice. So look at my mouth when I am saying the word cakes. Cake, cakes. If the last sound of the word is k, then the S will sound like S, cakes. Any letter that you don't use your voice, this is your voice here. Any letter that you don't use your voice, like a K, 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 this sound is here, not here. So when you put an S after these consonants, it sounds like cakes. Also, p, p, cap, cap. The sound is here, no voice. Caps, caps. This sound, TH. Baths, baths. TH and S, baths. T, 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 t. No voice. Heats, heats, heats. Now look at the Z. When you have Z, it comes after words that have a vowel at the end, or words that have a voiced consonant. A voiced consonant is like a B, 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 B. We need our voice, this is our voice, to say B. So we have cab, Z. After the B, the sound is Z. The S sounds like a Z. Z. Cabs. the letter V. V. We need our voice. So the S after the V sounds like Z. Caves. Caves. G. 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 We need our voice. So it is bag. Z. Bags. The letter D. 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 We need our voice. So the S after the D sounds like Z. Head. Heads. Heads. Now, sometimes we have ES at the end of the word to mean plural or many. So after the SH or CH, peaches, peaches, es is the sound at the end of this word, peaches. It is another syllable. So after the SH, CH, or an S sound, like nurse, nurses, we need another syllable, nurses. Also after a Z, buzz, buzzes, we need an ES, extra syllable. Also after an X, we need ES, fix, fixes. Also GE, like cage, cages, sounds like an extra syllable, as. Okay, students, let's practice saying these words. Assistants, cooks, students, mechanics, receptionists, books. So remember that the letters that are yellow, you don't use your voice, so the S sounds S. And students, you remember that the S is in the word to show that it is plural. There are 2 cooks. There are 2 or 3 or more students. Many mechanics. Okay? Also, the word cooks, if it is used for a verb, it's also for simple present. She cooks pasta every day. He cooks pasta every day. Or it cooks pasta. The stove cooks pasta if you're talking about it. So remember, we use an S for plural, or also in the simple present everyday talking for he, she, and it. The verb has S. Okay, next we have Z. So let's practice these words. Bananas, cashiers, drivers, cookies, servers, teachers. Let's remember that the blue letters, bananas, the A is a vowel. Also cookies, the IE are vowel sounds that end the words. So remember, when we have vowel sounds at the end of the words, the S says Z, as well as the R's and other voiced letters, sounds. Now let's practice es, nurses, oranges, packages, boxes, peaches, sandwiches. Remember the pink letters. These are special letters that have the extra syllable ES at the end. Now students, it's your turn to listen, and in your notebook you can write this chart. Listen to the word and decide, is the S sound a yellow S, or a blue Z, or a pink is with an extra syllable. Number 1, bags, bags. Number 2, bottles, bottles. 3, clerks. 4, dimes, dimes. 5, pages, pages. 6, carrots. 7, desks. 8, languages. 9, glasses. Okay, students, please take a picture of your notebook and send it to your teacher. Thanks. Bye.